U.S. Highway 20 north of Island Park is closed due to a significant spring snowstorm. The Idaho Transportation Department closed a section of U.S. Highway 20 north of Island Park. The highway closure is between milepost 406 near Island Park to the Montana border. Transportation officials say the road is partially blocked and have not given any estimates on when it will reopen. The region is in the middle of a snowstorm, and roads are slick with snow. Drivers are encouraged to use extreme caution. The Idaho Transportation Department reports US 20 is blocked about 3 miles east of the Island Park area. It said the blockage is between Phillips Loop Road and Targee Pass. Officials say to consider using an alternate route and drive with extreme caution.